Since 1980, Sri Lankan government put a lot of emphasis on technical education and vocational training. And since then, every government, this has become their forefront of their political and development agenda. Sri Lanka this year has faced, not only Sri Lanka, but the whole world faced an unprecedented situation because of COVID-19. Our day-to-day life came to a standstill, but Sri Lanka luckily is now getting back to normal life. Manufacturing industry is getting back to normal life. I personally involved in manufacturing industry, and I employ a lot of skilled welders. The Sri Lanka has this perception that the welders are the people who has a shop on the roadside, and then they do normal welding and then earn the day-to-day living. But this is not the case. This is far from it. The welders in Sri Lanka alone, especially the stainless steel welders, earn about 300,000 rupees per month. And if you are in a dockyard welding or underwater welding, you earn a little bit more. And world over, this is the case. If you go overseas, your earning capacity is high. Government of Sri Lanka is embarked on a new technology called augmented reality welding, and this will put Sri Lankan welders into a different league. So I encourage the young school leavers to join this force and be the most sought after welders in the world. And I wish all the very best for the World Youth Skill Day 2020.